Stop drawing random things. Start drawing a simple house plan like this. In this video, I will show you how to draw a simple house plan step by step, perfect for beginners. Don't worry, if you are new, just follow along and pause when needed. Let's go. This is our interface. We need to draw our wall here, rectangle, and then we draw it properly. This is our wall, and I select it to create a wall thickness. I go to offset and I make my wall thickness like this. I make it 0.40. This is my wall thickness, and I select it. As they are connected, I want to export them here. Export to separate length from width, and I click on them. I move them now by making copy. I copy this to create to separate rooms. Let's set here. No, let's see here and here. Now I'm gonna move even this one. I'm gonna make a copy again, and then I move it to the middle. Let's say here, let's say in the middle here, like this. So we separate rooms. Now I'm gonna trim the needed part, trim them. I'm gonna trim this part I don't want. So this is like 4 rooms, but I don't need 4 rooms. I'm gonna make a copy, and then I move it to this place, and I'm going to join this line to this. I'm gonna join them, joining this line also to connect them, and I'm gonna join also this one to this to this, and I'm gonna trim the unwanted parts. Now all those parts I don't want, I'm gonna trim them. As you can see, trim everything which we don't need. Now our house is clean, and next is to create openings like for doors and windows. I'm gonna join by using line, just like this. I'm gonna trim this line and this. I'm gonna create another. I'm gonna open I'm gonna separate this now because I need a bathroom and a kitchen, like making bedroom, sitting room, bathroom, kitchen, and dining room. So I'm gonna trim this. Now I have bathroom, kitchen, dining room, bedroom, and sitting room. I'm gonna make openings now. Let's create openings by selecting lines, and we cut here. We cut also this. Now I'm gonna cut also this one and this to like trimming everything now, and then we have openings for sitting room, bedroom, and now we're gonna open for the, let's say this one is our bathroom. So I'm gonna have an opening here. I'm gonna open, and I'm gonna extend. I'm gonna open. Now I'm gonna trim. I'm gonna open now here for the kitchen. This is my kitchen. I'm gonna cut here. Let's extend this, and now I'm gonna trim. You see, now we have sitting room, bedroom here, bathroom here. This is kitchen, and this is our dining room. So now let's put text on it. Let's name them. Now I'm gonna call this one bedroom, sitting room, sorry, sitting room. I'm gonna name this sitting room. Let's use uppercase here, and then we have it. This is sitting room. Now name again here, bedroom. We call this one bedroom, but you can call them what you want if this one is your kitchen. So I'm gonna call this one bathroom, and the next one I'm gonna call it now this one I'm gonna call it kitchen. Yes, this one I'm gonna call it dining room. As you can see, now we have everything clear. We've named this is sitting room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and dining room. This is a simple house plan. Don't try to make it perfect. Focus on understanding the process and practice this same drawing again. That's how you improve. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comment section what should I draw next. Thank you.